Kia ora koutou, nau mai hoki mai ki Pukeroa Paoho, the voice of Rotorua Primary School.
We've got another jam-packed week of stories from around our kura, from sports to music to celebrations and culture.
Let's get straight into it.
Last week was Aotearoa Play Week and some of our Pukaki classes went down to take part.
Hi guys, so today we're here at Matasua and we're going to be showing you a tour all around, me and Anthea. And first game that's over there. Yep. Go. So this one is, this one is Maui Mātou. So you have a stick and then if the announcer or caller says Maui, then you go the other way. You go that way. And then if you drop the stick, then you go all the way back. Or you restart. It's jumping ropes. So if you can do that, then you snapping rope race. Then you gotta start from there and then go to the finishing line. And then if your team finishes first, then you're the winner. So this game is the wide wharaki. So your other teammate, your first teammate actually, has to grab one of the thingies, and then the other person goes on and then wait for the other person. So this one is curfew, so I'm pretty sure you got to run up there. No, I think you run to the second cone and then you throw it in there. In the bucket. Okay.
That looked like so much fun, an awesome way to connect, play and get active together.
Next up we head to Pukaki 10 where some awesome digital learning has been happening.
The Tauira have been using Suno AI, a music creation tool that helps you turn your ideas and lyrics into full songs, complete with vocals, melodies and even instruments.
Their songs are all about their trip to the snow last term, and they sound incredible.
In this episode, we're visiting Pukaki 10 who have been doing something super creative in their class.
They've been using an AI music tool called Suno to help write and produce their own songs all about their recent camp experience.
Can you tell us a little bit about this project and how it all started?
It started when we went to camp with Mountain View and our teacher was wondering if we can make songs. Then our classmate Joseph found out this app and then recommended it to our teacher.
So this is my song. My intro is just about how we came up to Mount Ruapehu and we had so much fun. Then I had a verse which was waking up very early. Then my pre-chorus was cold breaths, fogging up all of you. Then my repeated chorus is we're off to Mount Ruapehu. It's high and steep, in a cold and windy secret sleep. The mountains calling, I can't ignore a wild adventure behind that door. And the bridge is fingers numb, but the heart's alive, chasing peaks where the clouds arrive. Words got a story it loves to weave. Mountains don't care if you don't believe.
Cool, and what genre did you choose?
I chose R&B, smooth, hip-hop and little piano. Putting in the styles of my song. And I just finished making my lyric as well. Not my lyric right here. My drums, every bass, piano, auto strings, cello, little pads, funky bass line, sharp snares, funky guitar style, 88 drums. And I did it in the style of Iggy and Michael Jackson.
Shadows as the hours pass. Cold wind whispers through the radio
how to make songs using AI.
Ka mau te wahi pukaki ten, such a creative way to use technology and bring your learning to life through music.
And to finish off this week's broadcast, a special mention for our Pacifica Rōpū, who will be performing this Saturday at the Pacifica celebration held at the Village Green.
If you're not busy, make sure to go down and check it out. There will be heaps of performances, lots of kai, and amazing vibes from all around our community.
We wish our Rōpū all the best for Saturday. We know you'll represent Rotorua Primary with pride.
That's all for this week's edition of Pukeroa Paoho.
Big mihi to everyone who featured in our stories and to all of you for watching and supporting our kura.
Don't forget to like,
Subscribe
and share our channel so more of our whānau and community can stay connected. Mōri ora, kia pai tō koutou wiki.
and we'll see you next week.
Anthea and
Rena.
signing out.